You know when you're just having one of them days? Today is one of them days. So, first thing you might have noticed, I'm doing vlogging. I'm going to start to do vlogging. I don't know how well it's going to go, but to be honest, it can't be as shite as my existing videos, because fucking neutral. Because they're not doing that great. Like, some of them do alright. I got one at like 10,000 views, but the rest of them, they don't do that great. So I'm all for trying to improve my content, and I'm hoping vlogging might improve my content. You might think differently. You might think I'm a right boring bastard, but we're going to give it a go. So that's that. Yeah, I'm going to start doing vlogging. Actually, I might as well ask, what do you guys reckon about me vlogging? Do you think I should do it? Do you think I should not? I mean, we could even try and help with some engagement and putting some comments in. So yeah, if you think I should carry on vlogging, drop it a like, drop it a comment saying yeah, crack on. If you don't think I should start vlogging, call me a wanker in the comments and say shut up, you wanker. I won't listen to you because I do what I want, but you can tell me anyway. It'd be nice to know what you think. I might listen to it, I might not listen to it. Who knows? Traffic looks like absolute crap. But anyway, one of them days today. I have put a massive, and I mean massive, dent in the side of my tank. So I'll tell you the story. I fitted some hot grips today. Why, you ask? It's fucking summer. You don't need hot grips. Well, I went to the sports bike shop the other day and they were on offer. They were on discount. So I thought, fuck it, I'll buy myself some hot grips. So I bought them. I got a day off work today. I thought, great, I'll fit them. So I fitted them, all went smoothly. They look fantastic. I took my mirrors off as well. You might think I'm a bellend for taking my mirrors off, but they're off and they're not going back on, so I don't care. So yeah, I thought, oh, I'll pop out and test my hot grips. Heated grips, whatever you want to call them. They're called Oxford hot grips, so yeah, I'm going to keep calling them hot grips. I thought, oh, I'll pop out and test them. Give it a whirl. It was only 22 degrees. My hands might be cold. So I brought my bike out the garage and I put it at the side of my house, which is, it's got a small gradient to it. It's got a little bit of a slope. I've put it up there millions of times, hundreds of times. I've set my bike there on the kickstand and it's been perfectly fine. So I put it on the kickstand to open the gate, turn around, start opening the gate, and I hear, oh god, I know what that is. I didn't want to turn around, honestly. I didn't even want to look around. I could feel the bike's pain, but I thought, fuck it, I'm gonna have a look. So we turn around and there it is. my beautiful bike is laying on its side on a pile of rubble that is at the side of my house. So yeah, I've dented the fuck out of the tank and I'm very annoyed about it. I mean, I'm really annoyed about it. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it and there's no point in being annoyed about it. But that doesn't stop me being annoyed. So yeah, there is that. And then I thought, right, I know it will set my mood a bit better. I'll go out and we'll try and do our first ever vlog style video. So set the mic up, put it all in my helmet, set everything out to go. Thought, all right, head off. Went out for about an hour, 45 minutes. Got back, put all the footage on my laptop, put the audio on there, and god, the audio was so bad. It was peaking so bad I could not even nearly use it. Come on mate, you can fit through there. Come on buddy, come on buddy. Dangle those little feeties. So yeah, the audio, honestly, it was so bad. So this is take 2 of trying to get a vlog video out on my YouTube channel. Oh, I'm going round you, mate. You're doing my head in. Terrible, 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 terrible. I mean, traffic is absolutely awful down here. I'm not sure what's closed the lane. That's why. that was risky. And there's a lorry broken down. Not the best time to break down there, although the lane's closed anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh yeah. So yeah, 2 fails in one day. Dare I say it, I'll probably get a ticket on this ride. But I shouldn't really say that at all, that's pretty stupid. Hey ho, let's hope not, eh? So yeah, 2 major fails. I've looked on eBay for second-hand tanks, and believe it or not, the tanks on eBay are all dented. Which I'm not even sure why I'm surprised about. I looked on Yamaha to have a look for the cost of a new tank, and it's almost £1,000. Yeah, £1,000. Today's little silly accident cost me £1,000. You're probably thinking, why don't I claim on my insurance? But I don't really want my insurance to go up. I mean, I've not been riding that long, and insurance is bloody expensive. And I don't fancy making a claim on my insurance and making it even more expensive. So yeah, that's why I'm not going to claim on my insurance. Pretty stupid having insurance if you're never going to make a claim on it, but I've pretty much got it for in case I write the bike off. That's pretty much why I've got the insurance in there. Minor things I'll probably sort out myself. I like tinkering with bikes anyway, so yeah. Sure why I'm going to go back into the traffic, but hey, there we go. Oh yeah, so that was my day, but we're back out on the bike, and it always puts a smile on my face without fail. So yes, sure where I'm going, to be honest with you. Absolutely no idea. We're just going for a little ride and a little chat, mainly just to say hello. So yeah, hello, this is me. Hopefully this works out a little bit better than what I'm currently doing on my channel. So yeah, it's going to be a bit more effort editing these videos, but hey, I don't mind a bit. I actually quite enjoy editing. I really don't mind it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed it does well. If not, I'll probably still do it anyway, and then one day the channel might take off. But yeah, I've taken off the bar end mirrors, and I actually really like it. Other than the fact that I can't see behind me, I really do like it. It's, believe it or not, it feels a little bit more nimble. I don't know how, it makes no sense. And before, because I had the heated grip, before I had the bar and mirrors, they had I don't know, like the stand for it come up here. My hands, I mean, they're not massive hands, but they're not small hands. They just felt a bit restricted, like I've got no movement going side to side, and it was just like that was the only place they could be. Now I can keep my hand there if I wanted. I'm not going to, because I'm not a complete bell end, but I could do if I wanted to. Yeah, so that's cool. You probably think I'm an absolute bell end for taking my bar and mirrors off and having no but rear mirror, but I don't care. ride how I want to ride. You ride how you want to ride. I won't judge you. You don't judge me. But I'm on YouTube, so I'm going to get judged anyway. But I don't give a fuck. I really don't. Say what you want. So yeah, one thing I've noticed, or one thing I noticed when the audio was working on my first ride, is that I can't go too fast and talk because the wind noise is horrific. It's really bad. I've got the Alpine Stars helmet. Which way are we going here? Alright, we'll just follow the road. Yeah, I've got the Alpine Stars helmet, and it's not known for its quietness. Let's just say that. It's a really comfortable helmet. It's a really light helmet, and I really like it. But it's quite loud. So yeah, I can't go above like 50 miles an hour and talk to you. So whilst I'm waffling a lot now, future videos it's probably going to be like 50-50 talking to fast riding. I'm kind of taking slower routes around little villages just so I can talk without the audio going all fucked up. Yeah, I can do that. Lovely. I don't know these roads very well, so I can't really bag it that hard. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, my normal videos moving forward will probably be like 50-50 fast riding and 50% fast riding, 50% talking. Because generally I scope out the roads that I'm going to ride on to find nice roads with no cameras, no speed cameras that is. So yeah, this is too much of a nice straight not to rag it. Keep going. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the audio is going to be like. I do have both microphones going, so I've got the internal microphone in my helmet and I've got the external mic on my fanny pack, because I don't ride with a rucksack anymore. When I bought the heated grips, I saw, is it a Climb? I think it might be a Climb, or I can't remember what the make is. I'll put it on screen as to what I bought, but it's basically like a waist pack. It's made for like adventure bikes and stuff like that. You put like tools and stuff in it. Oh, there's a bike going up there. Let's go and chase him down. So yeah, I've got my my external mic in there. What bike is that? You probably can't see it. It's a very wide angle lens, so you can only see stuff that's quite close up. It's a sports bike. I don't know what it is. Looks like it's commuting maybe. So yeah, I've got my mic in there, my external mic in there, and obviously my internal mic in my lid. So yeah, I'm going to kind of mix the two audios, so you get decent external sounds and you get hopefully, third time's a charm, good internals as well. But we'll soon see when I get home. But yeah, I mean, if you've got any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I do respond to most of my comments. Sometimes they're a little bit slow, but the majority of them aren't. I mean, as long as they're not hateful, I'll respond to them. I mean, even some of the hateful ones I like to respond to as well, because some of them whilst they are quite hurtful, and I do cry every night when I read those comments, they are actually quite funny. So yeah, I think I know where I am. I'm sure there's a bike shop down there. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like there is a bike shop down there. What's it called? Like Moto Central or something, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so drop a comment down below if you've got any questions. If I don't answer them in the comments below, maybe I'll do like an FAQ video where if I get the same question a few times, we'll just answer it whilst we're chatting. But yeah, not sure how long I've been talking for, so I might well just get on a faster road, have a little blast, and then we'll call it a day. I think this jumps onto the A5, and this is quite a fast road, so it should be quite fun. Although it's quite a straight road, some may say it's a bit boring. I mean, I like twisty roads, so I do find it quite boring, but it's a fast road nonetheless. So yeah, we've had a bit more faster riding, and then we call it a day, I reckon. Oh, this is where the mirrors, having no mirrors, will come into action, because, oh, you say that, I probably still can't even fit through there. Oh no, I can. Whoop. I wouldn't have done with my mirrors. I wouldn't have had the confidence to fit through there with those mirrors on there, because they stuck out like another inch either side, and it was a bit, it felt a bit tight. I'm not waiting for that red light, not a fucking chance. Oh, these heated grips are lovely. I mean, it's not even cold, but my hands are bloody toasty. Let's try and turn them up a little bit, see what happens. Oh, it's a bit risky squeezing through there. Oh, you can't resist revving in a tunnel, eh? Oh, here we go. Right, so have a bit of a fast ride, and then we'll sign out.